Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Rellytech Mini Split AC Heating System, 12,000 BTU, air conditioner, inverter, heating and cooling. Consists of the following features. Powerful 12,000 BTU cooling and heating. This mini split AC/heating system delivers 12,000 BTU cooling and 12,500 BTU heating, covering up to 750 square feet. With a temperature range from 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 88 degrees F, it provides rapid and consistent temperature control, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and more. Energy efficient and eco-friendly. With a 19 SEER2 rating and HSPF 8.5, this split system air conditioner reduces energy costs while maintaining strong performance. The greener refrigerant boosts efficiency and lowers environmental impact, offering a sustainable cooling and heating solution. 4 modes and smart eco function. This mini split AC heating system features cooling, heating, fan, dehumidification modes for year-round comfort. The Eco mode optimizes energy use for both cooling and heating, ensuring you stay comfortable without wasting energy. Customizable airflow and wide coverage. The AC split unit includes 4 fan speeds, high, medium, low, auto, and a 90-degree vertical swing. Whether you're relaxing in bed or hosting a gathering, you can adjust the fan settings to maintain the perfect comfort level throughout your space. Sleep-friendly and thoughtful design. Operating at just 42 decibels, this split system air conditioner ensures peaceful nights. Sleep mode gradually adjusts the temperature for comfort, while silent mode disables beeping from the remote control. The 24-hour timer and LED-off function further reduce disturbances. Effortless control and simple maintenance. Equipped with a convenient remote control, this mini split AC/heating system allows for easy adjustments from anywhere in the room. LED display provides a clear view of settings, while the removable, washable air filter keeps the air fresh, promoting a healthier living space. This can also be a Father's Day gift to bring coolness to your family. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.